Have you ever wondered what makes rich people different? It's not just luck, they follow habits that help them succeed. Here are 10 habits that wealthy people follow every day. 1. They wake up early. Rich people don't waste time. They wake up early to plan their day, work on their goals, and stay ahead of others. 2. They read daily. Instead of wasting time on social media, they read books about business, self-improvement, and money management. Reading helps them gain knowledge and new ideas. 3. They set clear goals. Successful people always have a plan. They set daily, weekly, and long-term goals to stay focused and productive. 4. They manage their money well. They don't waste money on unnecessary things. Instead, they save, invest, and budget wisely to grow their wealth. 5. They keep learning. Rich people never stop learning. They take courses, attend seminars, and improve their skills to stay competitive. 6. They surround themselves with successful people. They spend time with positive and ambitious people. They avoid negative influences and seek advice from those who are more experienced. They stay healthy. Wealthy people know that health is wealth. They eat well, exercise, and take care of their mental and physical health to perform at their best. 8. They take risks. They are not afraid to take calculated risks. Whether it's starting a business or investing, they make smart decisions and take action. They are disciplined. They don't waste time on distractions. They follow routines and stay focused on their work, even when they don't feel like it. 10. They give back. Many rich people donate to charity and help others. They believe in sharing their wealth and making a positive impact on the world. Final thought. Becoming rich is not just about making money, it's about adopting the right habits. Start small, be consistent, and you'll see the difference in your life. You can use for a video, blog post, or even a motivational talk.